I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by proving this is your device. Gather receipt, IMEI, or account email now. Once done, charge the phone above 50% and connect to reliable Wi-Fi. Try any remembered passcodes or a single biometric attempt, because repeated failures often trigger longer lockouts. If those fail, make sure you know the linked Google or Apple ID. These accounts are the legitimate recovery route. Keep calm. This first phase prevents unnecessary data loss and sets up the official recovery options available to you. You now move into account-based recovery. Sign in to the linked Apple ID or Google account from a computer or another device, and use Find My iPhone or Google Find My device to locate, or, if necessary, remotely erase the phone. Note: erasing removes the lock but requires the same account credentials to reactivate. If you cannot authenticate the account, contact the device maker or carrier and provide proof of purchase. Make sure to explain what you attempted. This route keeps the process legitimate and minimizes risk. Finish by restoring from an iCloud or Google backup after the reset, so you recover apps and settings. Then set a strong numeric or alphanumeric passcode, enable biometric unlock, and turn on two-factor authentication for the linked account to prevent future lockouts. Make sure to record recovery codes somewhere safe. Troubleshooting tip: if the device prompts for a previous account during setup, use the account provider's recovery flow or contact official support with your proof of purchase. Do not attempt unofficial bypass methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.